Welcome to School Device Coverage. I'm going to quickly show you how easy it is to insure the device provided by your school district. You should have received a flyer from the district about the insurance, but even if you don't have a flyer, you may still purchase insurance. When you come to School Device Coverage for the first time, you should be on our front page. Click this big button. Create an account using your information. Many people have multiple emails. Remember the email you used to create your account, because you'll need it to log in the future. After creating an account, you will receive an email confirmation containing your password. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in as a repeat visitor. I enter my email and my password. I now enter my district name. If you don't know your district, then you can click this link right here where you can enter a school name and will help you find your district. I am now on the main order form. I'm going to enter the name of my student. I enter a student ID. It's optional, but great if you have it. Enter the student's grade. You need to select your school. I'm going to select Homer Simpson Elementary. The device, I'm going to select a Chromebook. Now there may be multiple plans depending on what device you select, so please choose your plan carefully. I will enter a serial number. If you do not have a serial number, you may enter TBD, which means you will enter it later when you get your device. But I assume I already have my device, so I'm going to enter the serial number. I then click that I am at least 18 years of age. Now I'm on the payment confirmation page. At this point, you click the Buy Now button that will redirect you to PayPal, where you may complete your purchase. That is all there is to insuring a device on School Device Coverage. We hope you have a fantastic school year, and thank you.